Hey, Sean Lassard here. I know I take the next few minutes to introduce a brand new project from modernoptician.com. For years, the focus of Modern Optician has been to help student opticians prepare for their careers through books and study guides. The result has been hundreds of opticians passing their exams, becoming licensed professionals, and finally starting an exciting career as opticians. That's been the focus, and I've been super proud of the results. And with the start of 2021, I've decided to embark on a new journey and start a new project that I've been thinking about for years. Ever since I've been training student opticians, I've always felt that there was a lack of good resources online to help them with their learning. Of course, that's why I wrote numerous books and study guides on the subject, but even those, as effective as they've been, still require a certain level of self-study from the student. What I really wish was available was detailed lectures, just like the ones I sat through in opticianry school, that describe the intimate details of all the optical principles we need to know as opticians. Sure, you can scan YouTube and the rest of the internet and find some pretty good resources these days, but I've yet to find a full collection of college-style lectures that bring you through the concepts the way you would in an in-class lecture. And so, like one of my favorite quotes says, "Be the change you wish to see in the world," I made a promise to myself and now to you that starting in 2021, I would build that exact resource. And so with that said, I introduce to you the Modern Optician YouTube channel, a virtual classroom, if you will, with the sole purpose of providing free, high-quality, lecture-style opticianry instruction. My commitment is that starting today, this channel will add a new, high-quality lecture every Sunday morning. This way, over the next few months, we should be able to amass a catalog of optical training that just continues to grow as time goes on, and all for free. Now, before I finish this video, I have a huge favor to ask you. If you're excited about this project, or if you're just simply passionate about eye care, I ask that you please subscribe to the channel. Not only does this give me validation that people are watching, but it also helps the channel grow and allows students who need help to find the videos way more easily. And if it's not too much trouble, I ask that you share the videos with your students and colleagues to help accelerate the growth of the channel. Like I said earlier, I think this project could be something great for opticianry, and I'd really love to have you along for the ride. So if you could take some time out of your day to come on over and subscribe to the channel, I'll be forever grateful. I can't wait to see you in the next one.